Hello there guys, James here. Today let's take a look at Oxygen OS. Now this is the code name of this build is GG2020 and it's Android 10 from OnePlus 7 and it's Oxygen OS Beta 19. So I've been using this ROM for more than a week now. This is my long-term review on this ROM. So this review will be divided into the good, the okay as well as the bad things about this ROM. So let's start off with the good things. The first good thing is performance. Because this is Oxygen OS, every animation and every transition is very fast. You get good gaming performance and you get all the Oxygen OS features. It's all the subtle features that improve your experience. Apart from that, you get native Dolby support. You have 3 profiles here. What I like about this is that it is independent. It has independent profiles for speaker as well as headset. So while gaming, I don't usually prefer having any equalizers or any sound enhancement. But I do like to keep the film preset for the speakers because it enhances the sound a lot. Another good thing is the gaming mode features. You get the same good gaming mode with all the options here. Now you also get rewind recording as a feature, which I like a lot. And the gaming performance is also very good. Next up, what I like about this ROM is that I prefer this over the OnePlus 6 UI because I like the overall UI design. It's more polished. The animations and everything is more polished than the OnePlus 6 UI, but there is a slight problem in the UI that I'll talk about in the OK section. Screen on time is also a plus point of this ROM. I get almost 6.5 hours of screen on time with both stock as well as Genos kernel setup, and I game for an hour or so. If you don't game, you can even stretch it to 7 hours and above. So that's all about the good things. So let's sum up. The good things are performance, Oxygen OS features, the game mode and the UI refinement. Now let's come to the OK bits of this ROM. I talked about the UI, which is a positive thing, but one thing that is an okay thing is that when you drop down the notification panel, the background blur or the background dimming is just not that much. So it doesn't draw attention to the notifications. It's like the background blur is not working. And when I'm on the charger, it gets a bit warm. It's not overheating or anything. It gets a bit warm, and you can feel the performance drop a little bit. It's not a lot, just a tiny bit. And another okay bit is that this is also related to Oxygen OS. When the charge drops below 10%, performance throttling is very massive. Like it'll lag to the point you can't play at all. I have two more okay things, but that's just nitpicking. The minimum call volume is a bit too high for me. So even in Google Meet, I use Google Meet a lot and I call a lot with headphones. The minimum volume seems a bit too high for me. When you install the ROM first, you may have stuck Play Store updates. So whenever you want to update, for me personally, it's always Google Chrome and Android System WebView. It'll show on the updates, but when you tap update, it won't update. So in that case, all you have to do is clear the Play Store data. Now let's come to the bad bit. So in this section, I don't have much to talk about this ROM. There's nothing very bad about this ROM. There's a reason Oxygen OS ROMs get a lot of attention in this Poco F1 space. So yeah, there's a reason behind that, and there's nothing horribly wrong with these ROMs. It's just good. It's a ROM that just works. So it's an all-rounder ROM. Anyone can use this ROM. I've got nothing to include in the bad section here. So yeah, that's it about my opinion on this ROM. If you have any queries or questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. We'll move on to the gaming section. Enjoy the gaming, guys. See you in the next video.
Clear! Nice shot! Expired! Target down! Killing spree for the blue team! Kill! No
Mark the
mercy!
location.
Nice shot! No mercy!
Watch out!
Expired! Killing spree for the blue team! The blue team is unstoppable! Killing spree for the blue team! Enemy down!
Marked a location.
Clear! Killed! Expired!
So nice.
Cover me! Killing spree for the blue team!
Marked a location.
Still nothing.
Nice shot!
Nice, nice coming. The lag is so much I can't even reach it.
Blue team victory.
Nice. Oh.